In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage users in Pipedrive. Let's get started by opening Pipedrive in your browser and signing into your account. This walkthrough is quick and straightforward, and it's perfect if you're setting up your team or keeping your current user list tidy. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may need admin or user management permissions, so keep that in mind as you follow along. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen for your profile area. It's usually represented by your avatar or initials. Click that to open the menu and select Manage Users. This is the central hub for everything related to your team, who has access, what they can do, and how they're organized. Inside Manage Users, you'll see a list of all current users, along with their roles, statuses, and permission sets. Think of this page as your command center. From here, you can quickly scan who's active, who's pending, and whether anyone needs their access updated. If you're adding someone new, use the Invite or Add User option, enter their work email, and assign the appropriate role or permission set right away. Choosing the right permissions at the start helps prevent unnecessary access and keeps your data secure. If you need to adjust access, select a user and update their permission set to match their responsibilities. Sales reps typically need deal and contact visibility, while admins handle broader account controls. You can also place users into teams to mirror your organization's structure, which makes reporting and visibility cleaner. If someone leaves your company or changes roles, deactivating them is often the safer first step than deleting, since it preserves historical ownership of deals and activities while freeing up a seat. A few tips as you work here. Use search and filters to find users quickly. Review admin privileges periodically to ensure only the right people have full control, and keep an eye on seat usage to avoid paying for licenses you don't need. If your company has strict data policies, you might want to limit exporting permissions to a small group and enable two-factor authentication organization-wide for added security. And if you don't see Manage Users in your menu, check with an account administrator. Access to this area is typically controlled. That's it. You went to Pipedrive, opened your profile menu, and clicked Manage Users. From there, you can view your team, add users, assign permissions, and keep everything organized. You're all set.